How to buy Slingshot token. So this token came under the symbol of Sling. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before going on by this token, go and check their account and keep following their updates about this token. Don't forget to go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. They have 10,300 members there. So this token, if you check this post from MEXC account, as you can see, so we will be able to find this. So as you can see, it's coming big spot. Join the selling carnival, share 2 million sling reward pool, and event details you can check it here, or the listing details you can check it here too, as you can see. So you can now check the listing listing information. So the selling sling deposit time, it will be 21, so it's listed. You can now buy it on your MEXC account. So go and open your MEXC account like that and type in search the token name. In this case it will be Sling. So and click on the pair that have USDT. After that, type the amount that you want to buy and click on buy Sling token. So this is how to buy Sling token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.